Good morning and half a day. We're here in Kanton Tasi Apartments, Unit 2. Walking in. To the left, we have really nice kitchen, stainless steel appliances, stovetop, washer dryer. We have a water softener, water filter, and a water heater right there. Living area space. Look at that. Heading into the first bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Look at this. Then here we have a bedroom. Closet space, hallway, bathroom, very nice bathroom. And then the last bedroom. So these units, we can furnish it upon negotiation. Let us know, send us a PM, call our office. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.